Hello, what's up guys, Gazanfar here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an influencer marketing website using WordPress. Now you can use this website for different kind of purposes. You can use this website for your social media marketing agency, or if you want to be specific, you can use this website or this template as the influencer marketing. So this is basically going to be the entire tutorial where I'll show you how you can set up this kind of very beautiful website using WordPress. You don't need any kind of technical knowledge. I'll walk you through step by step on how you can create this exact same website. I'll be providing you all of these resources. You can find them in the description of this video. I'll drop the timestamp as well so that you can follow along with whatever I'll be doing here. So if you are interested in learning how you can make this kind of influencers marketing or social media marketing company website in WordPress, then without further ado, let's get started now. So the first thing that you have to do is to make sure you have WordPress installed on your hosting. So I'm already using the GoReady hosting. You can go ahead with any of the hosting providers. So right now I'm using the GoReady. You can go ahead with Hostinger, SiteGround, Bluehost, or any one of your choice. You just need a WordPress installed on your website. So here you can see I have this WordPress installed. This is a very fresh WordPress installation. So if I go to this plugins section right here, you can see we don't have much of the plugins here. We have this default plugin that came with the WordPress installation. So I'll just deactivate this plugin from here. I'll just click on skip and deactivate, and then I'll get rid of both of these plugins that are showing there. So in order to get rid of them, just click on this right here, and then from the bulk select, click on delete, and then click apply. And once you will click apply, WordPress will automatically start deleting both of them. So we don't need them, so let them delete itself. So right here you can see our plugins are removed now and we don't need that. Before we actually start creating our website, let's just update our WordPress to the latest version of WordPress. Right now it is at WordPress 6.1, I think. So we'll actually have to update our WordPress. So I'll just click on this update, and here you can see my current version is 6.5.5, and then it says that we have a version which is 6.6.1. So I'll just click on this update to version 6.6.1 and it will automatically start updating our WordPress. Now we'll just have to wait a few seconds and it will get installed. But here you can see installation failed. I think this is because of the hosting side restrictions. So I think we'll just leave it where it is right now. Let's just move to our themes. So in order to go to the themes, go to appearance and themes. And once you will go to this themes part right here, from there, what you actually want to do is to click on this add new theme button. Once you click here, from here, just search for Hello Elementor in this search bar. And once you will search for Hello Elementor, this is the theme that we'll be using. So click on this install button right here. And once you will click on this install button, this will get installed. Now click on this activate button. Just activate your theme and then get rid of any of those other themes that you will see on this page, because we are not going to utilize any of those themes. So I'll quickly get rid of all of these themes that we are seeing there. So let's just get rid of this one as well. All right, now we are done here. So this theme requires the Elementor page builder. Elementor page builder is a very beginner friendly page builder in WordPress. So even if you don't know how to make the websites in WordPress, if you will use the Elementor, you will find it very easy for you to make any kind of layout in the WordPress. So I'll just click on this install Elementor button right here, and then we'll just have to wait until the Elementor page builder will get installed. So once you will activate the Elementor page builder, it will automatically take you to this page. From here, you can just click on this tiny cross icon. So just click on this tiny cross icon, and once you will do that, you will get back to your WordPress dashboard again. From here, what you actually want to do is to go back to the plugins section again, and this time we will have to click on this add new plugin. And then in this search bar right here where it says search plugin, we actually want to search for Envato Elements. So just search for Envato Elements plugin. And this is the plugin that we'll be using. So just click on this install now button. And once you will click on this install now, this plugin will get installed. From here, just click on this activate. So once you will click on activate, here you will find your plugin. So now what we actually have to do is to start making some pages on our website. So let's just go to the pages section right here. And once you will go to the pages section, here you can see we already have a home page and a blog page. And then we also have a privacy policy page. We don't actually need the privacy policy page, so I'll just trash this out. So it will be deleted from our website. We'll actually create some other pages on our website. Let's create a services page. For that, just click on add new page right here. And once you will click on add new page, we'll just have to wait. For the very first time, it takes quite a time. So just bear that with me. And once you will see this option, just click on this tiny cross icon. From here, just click on these three dots for the options. And then from here, just click on this full screen mode, because we actually want to turn off the full screen mode. So where it says add title, here you will type in the title for your page. So I want to type it as the services page. So I'll name it as services. And then where it says template, I actually want to change it to Elementor full width, and then just click on this publish right here. Then I actually want to add another page. Another page that I actually want to add is our influencer. So I'll just add our influencer here. And then for the template, make sure you choose Elementor full width and then click on this publish. Then we can also create the blog page. So click on this add new page and then search for blog. And then for the template, make sure you choose Elementor full width and then click publish. And then at the last, we need a contact page. So I'll just add the contact page right there. And then for the template, I'll choose the Elementor full width and then click on this publish right here. Now if I click on this all pages, you can see all of the pages that we currently have. So we have a home page, blog page. We actually have a couple of blog pages. So I'll trash out one of the blog page. So we have home, blog, content, contact, our influencer and services. Now what we actually want to do is to create the navigation menu, because if I currently go to the front end of our website, you can see this is how it is looking. So right here you can see it says that website coming soon mode is on. So we can basically turn that off. You can ignore this part at the top here, but here you can see we don't have any navigation menus here. We actually need those navigation menus. So for that, we'll just go back to the WordPress dashboard. From here, just click on this appearance and then under the options, click on menus. And once you will click on the menus, it will start loading a new window for you. And then you will actually have to wait, and this is how the window will appear. So here it will say you to enter the name for your menu. It is only for your reference. So I generally keep it as main or main menu, anything that you want. So now just click on this create menu right here. And once you will click on create menu, you can see this is now open for you. You can pick any of the pages here. So it will be on the most recent. Just click on this view all and then just click on select all, because I want to add all of the pages here. Then click on add to menu, and as you will click on add to menu, you will find all of your pages here. You can basically rearrange them by clicking on the element and then dragging them anywhere you want. So I'll drag it here. I want to have a sequence of home, services, our influencer, blog and contact, and then click on save menu. And once you will click on the save menu, your menu will get saved. Now you can go back to the front end of your website and now you can give it a refresh. As you will give it a refresh, you will find your menu items there. For now, we are not finding them here, and there is a reason for that, because we don't have a header template in place there. So we'll actually have to create a header template. But before that, let's go back to the WordPress dashboard. And then from here, go to the settings option and then click on the general. When you will click on this general, here you will find this option site title, where you will have to enter the name of your website. So let's just call it influencer marketing. There you will type in your website name. Here you can type in the tagline for your website, and then in here you can select a site icon. I don't have any of those things ready, so I'll keep it the way it is. I'm just showing you how you can set up that template, and along the way I'll show you how you can update all of those things. So for now, just click on this save changes options right there. So as you will click on save changes, your website name will get updated and you will start seeing your website name right there. And if I go back here, just pay attention to this part right there. And if I'll give it a refresh, here you can see this has been updated to the website name that I have added right there. Alright, next up, go to this reading tab. And as you will go to the reading tab, from here we can set the main page. So for now you can see it is already set to a static page, which is our home page. And this is good. In your case, this might be at this position, your latest post. Just change it to a static page, and from here click on this drop down here and make sure you shall select your home page here. For the post page, I'll keep it blank, so I'll keep it on select, and then just click on this save changes right here, so that our home page will set to the front page of our website, meaning whenever will someone search for our domain name, our home page will show up. So now let's just go back to the WordPress dashboard, and from here just click on this media options right here. And once you will click on this media, make sure you remove the width and height, and then remove all of this max width and max height, and then here for the large sizes as well, and then just click on save changes. Basically set everything to the blank. WordPress itself store the many copies of the images that you upload, and as the time passes, your site database keeps growing, and as a result your website becomes slower and slower. So in order to avoid that problem, I generally keep everything to 0 in this media panel, so I only have the original one that I upload in the media library. Next step, go to the permalinks option right here. So in the permalink option, make sure it is selected as the post name, and that is all you will have to check. From here just click on the save changes. And now these are all the settings that we actually had to do. Now if I go back here and if I give it a refresh, now you can see our home page is set as the front page of our website, and this is our site title. Now we can actually start creating the header and footer for our website. But wait, we'll actually have to import this template that I have selected. So I already have downloaded the template. I'll drop the link of that template in the description of this video. For now, just go to this elements, and then just go to this installed kits option right there. So as you will click on this installed kit option right there, you will find this kind of window. From here just click on this upload template kit. This is the kit that I'll provide you, Influencio. So I'll select this kit from there, and it will start uploading. You will have to wait. So here you can see this is how it is loaded. Once it will get loaded in your WordPress installation or WordPress repository, from here the first thing that you have to do is to click on this install requirements. So we'll actually have to fulfill these requirements. So here you can see this kit requires the Elementor Pro. I already have the Elementor Pro. So I'll go back here, and then we'll have to go to plugins, and then you can click on this add new plugin option right here. So just click on this add new plugin, and then we can just upload the zip file of Elementor Pro that I already have downloaded. So once you will get here, just click on this upload plugin and then choose file. I'll select the Elementor Pro and then install now. By the way, if you need the Elementor Pro, you can send me a message on WhatsApp and I'll provide you the Elementor Pro file in a very minimum price. So here you can see now it is asking us to activate the Elementor Pro. So I'll just click on this as activate plugin. And here you can see I have the Elementor Pro. Now we can go back to this elements and then installed kits. So now just click on this kit that we have imported. From here, once again, click on this install requirements. And here you can see the requirement for Elementor Pro is gone. From here, it is asking us for the settings and settings. So just click on this install above mentioned requirements. And now you can see it says success, meaning we have fulfilled the requirement for this kit. Now, first thing that you have to do is to import this global kit style. So just click on this import kit styles so that our kit styles will get imported. Alright, so we have already imported the global kit styles. Now we can actually start importing this header and footer. Let me show you where we can import our header and footer. So here on our front end of our website, you can see we don't have a header and we don't have a footer, but we are going to create our header and the footer. So for that, just hover over to this templates and then click on this theme builder. And once you will click on this theme builder, you will find yourself on this place right there. And here from there you actually need the Elementor Pro. I have installed the Elementor Pro already and I showed you. That is why all of these options are open. If you don't have the Elementor Pro, you will not be able to use these. So if you need the Elementor Pro, just leave me a message on WhatsApp and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. So from here, just click on this header right here, and then you will have to wait until it will get loaded. There you can see our Elementor page builder is loading for the very first time on our website. So for the very first time, it can take some time. You will just have to wait, but from the next time, it will not take that much time. So now just click on this cross icon and then click on this cross icon. This time click on this green tiny icon here. That is for Envato Elements. Then select on this kit that we have imported. And these are all the templates that we can utilize on our website. So I actually want to utilize this header template. So I'll just click on this insert template option right there. And as you will click on this insert template, you will have to wait until it will get imported on the 100%. So here you can see this has already been imported, and here you can see this is a placeholder for our logo. And then this is also a placeholder for an icon. And then in here we can insert an icon. So let me just search for a burger icon or hamburger icon or menu. Or lines, we can use lines as well. So let's just use this line here. And there you can see this is how our line is showing. This is the menu items that we have imported. We don't currently have a logo here. So we'll just keep a placeholder right here. We'll change the logo later. And then if I switch to tablet mode, you can see this is responsive. And if I switch to mobile mode, you can see this is also responsive. So our header is responsive. We can go back and then you can just click on this publish and make sure you will add these conditions. So just click on this add condition and make sure you have this entire site selected here. Just click on this save and close. And once you will click on save and close, your header will get live. So let's just go back and give it a refresh. And here you can see this is where our header is showing up. Now we can go back and then from here just click on this Elementor logo. And from here just click on this theme builder option because we actually want to go back to the theme builder. So now we are back to the theme builder, and here you can see we have two different options under the header template. So we have this Elementor header, which is actually a template that we have imported, and then we have this option right here. So what I actually want to do is to get rid of this header from here, and we are good with the Elementor header. So I'll just click on this trash. So we can remove that because we can only keep one header at a time. Now let's just start importing our footer. So just click on this footer option right here and then click on this add new. As you will click on add new, once again the Elementor page builder will start getting loaded. And once again you will have to wait until it will get loaded completely. Here you can see Elementor is loaded. Just click on this tiny cross icon. From here, once again, click on this Elementor Envato element icon. Click on this kit right here, and then this time we want to import the footer. So click on this insert template, and as you will click on this insert template, Elementor will start inserting the template once again. So we'll once again have to wait until it will do what it is doing. So here you can see it has imported our footer exactly how I showed you. We can modify all of these things, but for now let's just keep them as they are. By the way, in order to edit any of these things, this is really simple. You can click on this shiny pencil icon as you hover over these elements. I don't want to show this, so I'll just delete it from here. Then here under the navigator or the structure, you can click on this text editor, and here you can see it says current date and time. So it is showing the current date and time. From here you can click on this shiny wrench icon, and then under the advanced you can change it to your website name. I'll keep it the way it is for now, and then later I'll change them. For now I'm good with this, so just click on this publish and then add condition for the entire site, and then click on save and close. As you will click on save and close, you can go back to your website and let's just give it a refresh. And as you will give it a refresh, you can see now we have our header here, and now we have our footer showing up right there. Now we can go back here, click on this Elementor logo, and then click on this exit to WordPress. As you will click on exit to WordPress, this will take you back to the WordPress dashboard where we actually wanted to go. Now because we have a logo here, we can use this logo on this place. So what I can do is to hover over to this edit with Elementor, and then here it says Elementor header. Just click on there once, and once you will click here, it will automatically start loading the Elementor page builder for you. Here you can see our Elementor page builder is loaded. From here you can click on the logo and then click on this change site logo. From here I'll click on the site logo, and here just click on media library. Here is the logo that we can use for now. So just click on this select, and here the logo will automatically start showing. So just click on save and close, and then from here you can click on this cross, and then in here you can see this is where our logo is showing. Anyways, we can just go back to the front page of our website. That is how basically you can change the logo. Our logo is definitely here, but I think let's launch our website so we can get rid of this thing right here. Yes, launch my site, and then click on visit site. As you can click on visit site, here you can see this is how it is looking. Now that we have our header and footer created, we can actually start creating the home page of our website. So for that, just go back to the dashboard of your website again. Then click on this pages section, and then here you can see we have home. Click on this edit right here. As you will click on this edit, you will have to wait until it will get loaded. From here you will see this option template. For now it says default templates. Change it to Elementor full width, and then click on this update. Now click on edit with Elementor. Now you will have to wait until the Elementor is loading. So right there you can see our Elementor page builder is loaded. From here just click on Inverter Element logo, and then click on the kit that we are using. From here this time we actually need to select our home layout, which is this home template right here. So just click on this insert template, and then we'll just have to wait. So let's wait until it is importing this template. So right here you can see our homepage template is imported, and you can see this is exactly like how I showed you. Some of these images are still loading, but don't worry, they are already in our media library, and we can actually start changing anything that we want on our website. This is really very simple, and you don't require much of the technical knowledge in order to update these things. So let me show you how easy it is. So for example, if I want to edit this, you can just click once on this element, and then here you can find the properties for this element. You can change this title right here, and then maybe if I want to change this, I can click here, and then I can start typing my own content here. For the buttons, I can click on this button right here, and then I can change the text on this button, and then I can insert the link on this button. If I want to change the images, I can just click on this image right here, and then for the styles, I can click on this image, and then I can upload my own images however I want to. This is really simple. There is nothing much difficult in here. You can do it yourself as well. For now, just click on this publish, and as you will click on this publish, you will find that our home page is ready, and we can actually start creating our services page. So now let's go to the domain, or let's go to the home page of our website. You can see this is how it is looking. Now I can click on this services right there, and then just click on this edit page option right there. Make sure you have this Elementor full width selected, and then just click on edit with Elementor. By the way, if you need a website for your business or any kind of services, you can drop me a message on WhatsApp, or you can directly contact me on my email. I'll drop my WhatsApp number and my email in the description of this video. So here you can see this is open. You can click on this Inverter element here, and then you can select the kit right here. And then this time, because this is a services page, we are actually interested in finding a services template. There is the services template. You can just click on this insert template option right here. And as you will click on insert template, once again, it will start importing all of the template all by itself. So now you will have to wait until it is importing the template for us. So right here you can see we have our services page created, and once again you can update this page however you want to. From now, just click on this publish right here so that our template will get saved, and once it will get saved, we can actually start creating our next page, which is our influencer page. Now to make the process quicker, I'll open these pages in the new tabs, and then from here I'll just click on this edit pages right there. And once I'll go back here, I need to ensure that I have this template as Elementor full width selected, and from here you can just click on edit with Elementor. Once again, from here you can also click on edit with Elementor. Then for the contact page as well, you can click on edit with Elementor. Now let's just go back to our influencer page. Once again, as I was telling you, we'll have to wait until the Elementor page builder will get loaded on all of these pages. Here you can see for our influencer page, it is loaded. So we can click on this green icon for the Envato elements and then just click on this template that we are using. So this is our influencer page. We'll actually have to find this our influencer. So just click on this insert template and then we'll have to wait until it is inserting our template. Let's just have a look at the other pages. So here you can see for the blog page, I can click on this tiny green icon. I can open this. And then from here, I'll have to look for the blog page. So this is our blog page. So I'll insert this our blog template. And then at the last, we have this contact page. So I'll then click on this Envato element logo and then I'll open this kit right here. And then this time we'll actually have to find the contact page template. So for the contact page template, this is our contact page. So I'll just click on this insert template right here. And as you will click on this insert template, this will start importing all of these templates. By the way, our blog page template is already loaded. This is not showing any of the blog posts because we don't have the blog post right here. But I'll just click on this publish button because our page is ready. Now for the our influencers, this is still loading. So here you can see this is our influencer page and that is how it is looking. It has all the elements that we needed. So I can just click on this publish button right here. Now for the contact page, you can see we have the contact page ready here with the FAQ section, contact form and the contact details. So we are good on this part as well. So I'll just click on this publish option right here. Now I can close all of these pages. Now I can close all of these pages because we have created all of these pages. Now if I go to the front page of our website, you can see this is how it is looking. Sorry, this is how it is looking. It was actually redirecting me to their website, but this is how it is looking. So anyways, this is how it is looking. Now because we have a blog part on our website, we'll have to create the single blog post template, which is the blog post template. Now let's just go to the dashboard of our website again. Now from the dashboard, what you actually have to do is to go to the templates and then you will have to go to the theme builder option right here. As you will go to the theme builder option right here, from here this time just click on this single post and then just click on this add new, because we are going to create a single post element and single post is what gets displayed as the blog post page template. So let's just go back here. Let's just let it load. From here, just cross that out and then click on this Envato elements and then click here. And then from here, we'll have to find this single post right here and then click on this insert template. And as you will click on this insert template, we'll have to wait until it will get imported. So here you can see this has been imported. This contains all of the dynamic data. So do not try to change anything on this template except of these static parts or the static elements that you are seeing. From here, just click on this publish and then add condition. It says all singulars. From here, just choose posts and all and then click on save and close. And once it will get saved, we can go back. Now, if I go back on our website right here, you can see we have this tiny hamburger option, this tiny hamburger. And if I click here, you can see this is not working. So we'll actually have to fix that thing. I'll go back here and then from here you can go back to the WordPress dashboard. So just go to the exit to WordPress dashboard. And as you will click on this exit to dashboard, you will go back to the WordPress dashboard. So in general, this is where your pop-ups show up. So we'll have to make the pop-up here. So here you can see we are in the WordPress dashboard. From here, just hover over to this templates and then click on this pop-ups. As you will click on this pop-up, click on this add new pop-up. Here it says pop-up, type it as menu pop-up or anything that you want. This is for your reference. Just click on this create template. And as you will click on this create template, you will have to wait until the Elementor page builder is loading. So here you can see our pop-up panel is loaded. From here, click on cross. Here, just click on this tiny green icon, select your kit. And then this time from here, what we are actually interested is to either add a opt-in. You can see it says this is a pop-up. We can add this opt-in as well as we can add the pricing plans if we want to. Here you can see this is off canvas pricing plans. So this is actually your choice, whichever you would like to have. I would keep it as off canvas pop-up, which has these pricing plans. So I'll just click on this insert template, and then we'll just have to wait until it will get imported. Here you can see this has been imported. I can just click on this publish, and then we don't actually need to display any condition, any triggers or advanced rules. Just click on save and close, and then just go back on the front end of our website. Now if I click here, you can see nothing is happening. So from now, just hover over to this Elementor and then click on this Elementor header, because we'll have to edit this Elementor header. Alright, so here you can see you will have to click on this, and then here you can see the pop-up is selected. We just have to select the pop-up. Here you can see all is selected. We just have to search for pop-up, because I remember I named it as menu pop-up. And then from here, once done, you can click on this publish right here. Now let's just go back to the front page of our website. And as you will go to the front page of our website, if you will click here, you can see this is how our pop-up is looking. So in this way, you can make influencers marketing websites or social media marketing website template using Elementor. I hope you have learned something new from this video. If you have learned something new from this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and be sure to hit the bell icon to always get the latest video updates from me. If you have any questions for me, you can contact me on the WhatsApp or through the email. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.